SAP S/4HANA Finance Interview Questions. What is the difference between SAP S/4HANA Finance and SAP ECC Finance? S/4HANA is the next generation of SAP Business Suite, built on the HANA in-memory database platform. It offers a simplified data model, improved performance, and a modern user interface, Fiori, compared to ECC. What are the main components of SAP S/4HANA Finance? Financial accounting, management accounting, financial planning analysis, controlling, and risk management. Explain the different organizational units in SAP S/4HANA Finance. The organizational unit includes client, company code, company, business area. Client, highest level, representing an independent organization. Company code represents a legal entity within a client. Company, optional subunit within a company code. Business area, used for internal management purposes within a company code. What is your experience with SAP Fiori applications for financial tasks? Demonstrate familiarity with the user interface and functionalities of Fiori apps. What are the key considerations for a successful SAP S/4HANA Finance implementation? Key considerations include proper project planning, data migration strategies, stakeholder engagement, training, and a clear understanding of business processes and goals. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance integrate with other SAP solutions? SAP S/4HANA Finance seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions, such as SAP Ariba, SAP SuccessFactors, and SAP Business Warehouse, to provide end-to-end business processes. What is SAP S/4HANA Finance for Central Finance? A deployment option for centralized financial management across multiple company codes and systems. How does this S/4HANA leverage the power of the HANA platform for financial operations? HANA enables real-time processing, improved analytics, and faster reporting. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance support real-time analytics? SAP S/4HANA Finance leverages the in-memory processing of SAP HANA to provide real-time analytics and reporting, enabling faster decision-making. Explain the purpose of Central Finance in SAP S/4HANA. Central Finance allows organizations to integrate and harmonize financial data from multiple source systems into a centralized SAP S/4HANA instance for reporting and analysis. What is the role of asset accounting in SAP S/4HANA Finance? Asset accounting manages an organization's fixed assets, tracking their acquisition, depreciation, and retirement, ensuring accurate financial reporting. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance handle period-end closing processes? SAP S/4HANA Finance automates and accelerates period-end closing processes through real-time processing, reducing the time and effort required for financial closing activities. What is the purpose of the Financial Closing Cockpit in SAP S/4HANA Finance? The Financial Closing Cockpit streamlines and monitors the period-end closing process, providing a centralized tool for managing tasks, deadlines, and approvals. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance handle parallel accounting? SAP S/4HANA Finance supports parallel accounting, allowing organizations to maintain and report financial data according to different accounting principles or standards. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance handle foreign currency translation? SAP S/4HANA Finance automates foreign currency translation, allowing organizations to manage and report financial data in multiple currencies accurately. What is the role of Integrated Business Planning, IBP, in SAP S/4HANA Finance? IBP in SAP S/4HANA Finance integrates financial planning with operational planning, enabling organizations to align financial goals with business operations. Explain Universal Journal in SAP S/4HANA Finance. The Universal Journal in SAP S/4HANA Finance consolidates all financial and operational data into a single table, providing a unified view of transactions and eliminating redundant data storage. What is the significance of SAP Fiori in SAP S/4HANA Finance? SAP Fiori is the user experience interface for SAP S/4HANA Finance, offering a responsive, intuitive, and role-based design for better user engagement and productivity. What is the purpose of the cash management component in SAP S/4HANA Finance? Cash management in SAP S/4HANA Finance helps optimize liquidity, providing insights into cash positions, forecasting, and cash flow analysis. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance support compliance and risk management? SAP S/4HANA Finance integrates compliance and risk management features to ensure that financial processes adhere to regulatory requirements and mitigate financial risks. Explain the configuration steps for a new vendor in SAP S/4HANA Finance. The configuration steps for a new vendor in SAP S/4HANA Finance are: define master data, name, address, payment terms, etc., assign account assignment categories, and set up tax information. How does the accounts payable process work in S/4HANA? The accounts payable process is receiving goods services, recording invoices, making payments, and managing payment terms. What are the different types of customer accounts, and how are they used? The different types cater to various customer segments, e.g., sold to, shipped to, billed to. They are used for managing customer sales and receivables. Describe the accounts receivable process in S/4HANA Finance. The accounts receivable process is creating sales orders, delivering goods services, issuing invoices, managing collections, and applying payments. Explain the concept of Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, IRPA, in SAP S/4HANA Finance. IRPA in SAP S/4HANA Finance involves using intelligent automation to streamline repetitive finance processes, reducing manual effort, and improving efficiency. What are the key benefits of implementing SAP S/4HANA Finance? Benefits include real-time insights, simplified processes, improved user experience, enhanced reporting and analytics, and better support for digital transformation. Explain the concept of group reporting in SAP S/4HANA Finance. Group reporting in SAP S/4HANA Finance facilitates the consolidation and reporting of financial data for multiple legal entities within a group, ensuring accurate financial statements. What is Universal Journal in S/4HANA, and how is it different from the classical GL? Universal Journal simplifies data structures and integrates financial and non-financial data for holistic reporting. Describe the different types of accounts in the chart of accounts in SAP S/4HANA. The different types of accounts in the chart of accounts are asset, liability, equity, revenue, expense, etc. What is the chart of accounts, and what is its significance? The chart of accounts is a structured list of all accounts used for recording financial transactions. It is crucial for financial reporting and analysis. What is a general ledger, GL, account, and how is it used? A GL account is the basic unit of storing financial data in the system. Transactions are posted to GL accounts, impacting financial statements. How does S/4HANA Finance integrate with other SAP modules like materials management and sales distribution? S/4HANA uses a common data model and real-time integration between modules. For example, a purchase order in MM automatically creates a corresponding commitment in the general ledger, and a sales order in SD triggers revenue recognition in finance. Discuss the security considerations for implementing and using SAP S/4HANA Finance. Implementing S/4HANA involves securing the HANA database, managing user access controls, and adhering to data privacy regulations like GDPR. Companies need to establish robust security protocols to protect sensitive financial information. How does SAP S/4HANA Finance leverage in-memory computing to enhance financial reporting and analytics? SAP S/4HANA Finance utilizes in-memory computing through its HANA database, enabling real-time processing and analysis of financial data. This allows for instant insights into financial performance, streamlined reporting processes, and the ability to make data-driven decisions promptly. In-memory computing eliminates the need for traditional batch processing, providing a more agile and responsive financial management system. Thank you.